Well, it's still too hot outside for you guys, but I went ahead and took this block, now that it's back from the machine shop, hit it with the wire brush and a little bit of that gloss black. By the time we get this thing back together, she's gonna look brand spanking, and it's gonna have brand new internals. It's gonna be good as new.
Woo! It's go, 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 go time. Tick, tick, boom.
Get to work. Alright, you hooligans, welcome to the messy shop. So, we just got done cleaning up all the pistons, making them look like brand new. Got all the junk off of them. I got as much of the built up oil sludge as I could. We even got the grooves clean. So, you can buy a tool for cleaning the piston ring grooves, but I'm ghetto like that. So I'll just, if this will focus, I'll just snap off one of the rings, usually the top ring. I'll snap one off, hold it in a set of the vice grips, and then use that to scrape the grooves with. It means you got to keep it super parallel, but it works really good. And as long as you get that flat to line up with the bottom of the piston groove, it really cleans all the gunk out of there really well. So that's my little ghetto trick. But now we got them all cleaned up. We've got brand new Molly rings. So we'll get those put on there, and then we'll get the pistons chunked in our freshly cleaned block. Let's get to work. Alright guys, all the bad news. So we were starting to get to where we were putting our pistons together yesterday, and I got new ring sets. I showed you those, the Molly ring sets. What I discovered was this second groove on the piston. My pistons are 47 thou, and the rings for the second groove are 57 thou. So the second piston ring doesn't even fit in the groove on these pistons. So I had two choices. One, I could order new sets of rings, or two, I'm going to have to machine one or the other. So I called up Volkswagen and I was like, hey, give me a part number for a set of pistons, or piston rings. We've cross-referenced the ones that I have. I got the right rings. So for whatever reason, these grooves on these pistons are too narrow. So I've got to call out to a couple of machine shop buddies. We'll see if we can find somebody that's got a machine shop, that has a lathe, can come in here and shave 10 thou, open that groove up 10 thou wider to the top side of the piston. We'll put the right rings in there. That puts us on hold for building the motor, which is a huge problem because that's holding up everything. But I stripped these down. That's good. Look at this. Cylinder head all decarbonized. Got those valves cleaned up. Got all the gasket faces all cleaned up. She's a beaut. While we were at it, we got our cam cover and our bottom plate. Those are all cleaned up, looking shiny. So while we're waiting on pistons, we're staying busy. I think next up, let's get these CV axles popped out of here.
face that I watch every time I lie. Face that laughs every time I fall. So I know that when it's time to sink or swim, the face inside is hearing me right underneath my skin. It's like a paranoid looking over my back. It's like a whirlwind inside of my head. It's like I can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like the face inside is right beneath my skin. I know I've got a face in me, points out all my mistakes to me. You got a face on the inside too. Your paranoia is probably worse. I don't know what set me on first, but I know what I can't stand. Everybody acts like the fact of the matter is I can't add up to what you can, but everybody has a face that they hold inside. Face that awakes when I close my eyes. Face that watches every time they lie. Face that laughs every time they fall. So you know that when it's time to sink or swim, that the face inside is watching you too, right inside your skin. It's like I'm paranoid looking over my back. It's like a whirlwind inside of my head. It's like I can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like the face inside is right beneath the skin. It's like I'm paranoid looking over my back. It's like a whirlwind inside of my head. It's like I can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like the face inside is right beneath my skin. The face inside is right beneath the skin. The face inside is right beneath the skin. The face inside is right beneath the skin. It's like I'm paranoid looking over my back. It's like a whirlwind inside of my head. It's like I can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like the face inside is right beneath the skin. It's like I'm paranoid looking over my back. It's like a whirlwind inside of my head. It's like I can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like I can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like I can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like the face inside is right.
All right, all my cool cats and kittens. She's home. Been a long time coming. Over there. She's home. Now I gotta finish hooking up everything else. Get all this wiring taken care of. Get the last of the hoses hooked up. Still got a long ways to go, but we made a lot of good progress. Thanks for sticking with me. We're almost there.